Start.
Okay, here I go. Sodium hydroxide.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're doing the register here. Sodium hydroxide. Present. Okay. Dash of water. I just need to get it to 0.2 molar. It is the lolly.
Mr. Like my recording device? Like my recording device?
Who's using Lucia's Nokia?
Right. This is aforementioned lolly. However, the hardest thing about this experiment is opening the lolly.
Yeah.
Okay. So we might have to fast forward this when I'm editing it. There we go. Strawberry lolly.
You see what I mean?
No candy was harmed in the making of this video.
I'm gonna eat the lolly after the video.
Can I eat the lolly after?
With the sodium hydroxide on it.
Can confirm strawberry.
What's lollipop?
Real lolly. Right. Lolly goes in very expensive stirrer.
That's the greatest pipette I've ever seen.
Okay.
The greatest uses of it.
Pop in. Just pop here. Is it going to fall?
Do you want me to
If it falls, it's fine. It's ASMR. It's fine. Right. That's okay. Hey, we got a clink. That's good. Are you filming this?
Yes, I'm filming everything I see.
You're filming everything you see. All right. A little bit of this.
What is that, sir?
Potassium manganate. 7. It is an oxidizing agent. That's not the best bit.
Oh, have you made wait, is that potassium
You want to show me here? You sure? It will happen very quickly then.
Oh my god, it's big.
It will happen very quickly. That's the danger. There we go. Just a bit more. Just for miss. There we go.
Am I
You're going to get a
gonna-
zoom in on that. Zoom in.
Zoom in, Elon.
What do you mean basic or alcohol or like acidic?
It's alkaline because I put sodium hydroxide. Okay.
It looks so laggy.
No, Tina, amazing.
The lollipop acidic.
Didn't you see it?
No.
No.
Are you watching?
Look at.
Yeah.
Definitely shaking.
Get purple.
Purple now.
Oh, it changed color.
Nadir Ain.
Oh yeah, I was looking at the lollipop.
It looks more purple through here.
Oh, it's dark purple now.
It's black now.
Black now.
No, it's blue.
Oh, is
It's
this the
dark
oscillating?
blue.
Is this the oscillating
It's green
reaction,
now.
sir? It is, isn't it?
It's so pretty.
Is it like equilibrium or something?
No, it's an oscillating reaction, right?
No,
No.
It's greenish,
it's
no?
not going back.
Sorry.
Oh, it's not gonna go back.
Does it look green on yours? Because I'm only counting.
Is that the end?
How does it go back to pink?
It doesn't.
Oh, it does. It's not
so
oscillating.
green.
Never mind.
That's a really nice green.
Why doesn't it go back to pink?
Why is it doing that?
That side, you're in shot. That side.
It's not in shot, it's on 2x zoom.
Yeah,
Sorry,
it's
just
not
keep
his
it
face.
nice.
Just
So pretty.
his face is fine. So don't worry
Every
about it.
4 stirs, 1 stir shows up on Tina on screen.
No, it was
Green
pink first.
green
It was
selection?
pink first.
No, it's
No, Ahon, this isn't an indicator.
this isn't an indicator.
Then what's going on?
It's just a reaction.
It's
causing
a
it to
redox.
change color.
Okay, but what's the reaction?
Yeah, but you haven't seen the reaction yet. Right. Patience.
So why is the color changing?
Patience.
Patience, young Padawan.
It's going color.
If there's no
Going
reaction.
yellow.
Yellow now.
Mountain Dew.
I wanted to go red.
Those like apple juice.
Or the other thing.
Oh, I'm so thirsty now.
It looks like
And that's it.
7 when you take it out of the can.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh
Just
my
not
gosh,
fizzy.
you said that faster than Eminem. What was that?
Leave it,
Oh,
let it sit for a while.
Here we go. Got it?
Zoom it to you. Okay,
It's really pretty, I'm not gonna lie.
On
Okay.
Tinon's
Yeah.
camera, it looks so much
Do I
more
stop
golden.
recording?
That's
You
it.
go to a
That's
doctor
it.
for that.